In order to program in our programming language, we need to have an application installed on our machine called RStudio. So to download RStudio, what I'll do is that I'll simply type in RStudio download in Google and then go onto the website of RStudio. I'll go straight away on the downloads page, and on this page I can see different versions of R. Let me just zoom in a bit. Now if you see, this is the version of R which can be used with Vista, Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. Because I've got Windows 10 installed on my computer, I'll simply go on to this installer, and as you can see, it has already started downloading an executable on my machine. So it's going to take about a minute. I'll pause this video, and then when I'll get back, hopefully it's going to be installed on my computer. Download it, or in fact download it on my computer, and I'll go through the process of installing RStudio. So now you can see that RStudio has downloaded on my machine, and I will now start the installation process of R. So I'll just simply press yes, and I'll basically just want to install it in the program files folder. So I'll select the desired path, and then I can say do not create. Okay, let's just create a shortcut, and the installation process has just started. So let's see how it goes. Okay, it's taking a bit of time, so I can pause it again, and I will get back as soon as I see any other messages, or if the installation has finished. I'll just show you the last screenshot just to make sure that you understand the process. But it has now, you can see, finished the installation. I'll just simply press the finish button over here, and what I'll do is I'll see if I can see RStudio. So I can see an RStudio icon. What I'll do is I'll pin it to the taskbar so that I can see it in the taskbar. I can see now RStudio over here. I'll simply open RStudio just by clicking on it, and I'll quickly show you how the interface looks like. And in our later videos, we'll basically use this studio environment to write some R code. So if I just, so I'm adding, so this is the basically the area where you can actually write R code. You can write different R statements over here. I'll show you this part when I'll be writing some code. And then this is another area, files and packages. This is something which I'll show you in the later videos. Whatever code you'll write over here, you can see some of its output beneath in the console area. But these are some things which I'll discuss in the later videos.